You ever have them friends that were just ever cock black dog?
Real doggy. I'm if you tell her that.
You ever try to take picture with your girl dog? I try to take a picture, you see me?
Dog, you know how much time I try to take picture doggy? I'm ugly, you know?
Eh? Yeah man, we know man. Try to take picture and get who pop up in the background. Uninvited, you know?
Oh.
Are you on boys?
I'll be saying a good side.
Yeah. Every side I'm a good side, what do you mean?
Look that way there. Ready? Ready, 1, 2. You hear something?
No, wait.
Tag me in that picture, yeah?
Oh,
Still like the crackers.
this is not a workout.
No,
Seriously.
Me if you tell you.
Hey, talk no?
This one time where, yo, I'm virgin still, but
Yeah.
man go loop on me poopa.
No, I
Dog, me dead, you know. That boy for making a move with my girl, you know.
What you mean, man?
I bust a kiss, you know, poopa.
Straight.
When me say I come join the kiss to blood card.
Babes, you know I found this special, you know?
You lie.
You made me come out 3 times.
For real? I told me I use the tiger bomb.
Make me do it again.
What a wedding bomb.
They do my girl and a doggy. Chill and eat dinner and things.
Jesus.
We just chill and eat dinner with my girl and a doggy.
Pull a quick one, doggy.
My girl got some woman more to feed my dog. We bet you the show, but no, my dog, I just take the thing. Yo, but him bright.
How long now we are going?
About 5 years.
One time, never do, yo, you know, some of the water crackers make kind of food.
It's alright. What time
Good,
is
no.
my favorite food? That's
Favorite thing, man.
Yeah.
My crackers not, man. Some of the water do it.
Oh, what do you got? You invite him?
Water crackers are my favorite food too.
Oh, what is?
Yo, Poopa. Yeah. A big man level, tell me something.
What?
Tell me something.
Something.
So, alright. But they ain't a doggy.
Yeah.
Yeah, put in work on a girl ain't a dog. You ain't like a wifey thing and
Yeah.
She get a tough chat. Yeah, say, fling it up on her now.
Fling it up on her, yes.
You say, oh dog, me try fling it up. Me not a condom, but guess a who pop up. Oh, I'm a blood clot brethren.
Oh, kiss up me granny back foot.
Babes, come.
You know long, me wait for this.
How long?
Very long.
Which part?
Like 19 how long?
Alright, but which part of condom?
No man, this I get from bad tours. Churras!
Straight cock blocking the man in the
Yo,
front
me
dog.
tired of this cock blocking shit. My 2 brethren man gear me out every time with them thing in the dog. They block me in the dog.
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna block them up, you know, dog. I'm gonna block them up. I'm gonna block them.
Babes, we need to talk to you. Well, yeah, I'm ready.
For real?
Oh shit. So when you just watch your video, hope you enjoyed. Everybody featured in it, like
Rena Martin.
Athena Anonymous.
Prince Vince with a Y now. Charlie Boy with 1 Y.
and
Man Y, Jamaican.
the legend. Remember to subscribe, share, all of that. Yo,
Jamaican link.
Can we say that we're out? We're out.
Mark said go 1, 1, 2, 3.
We're out. Me never say it again.
Me daddy with my brethren and Ray. Whoa! And block them! Everything I got dead!